Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Unbounce, which is really nice landing page software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Unbounce. We are going to check the pricing tags and also we'll sneak peek into it so you know what you can expect. So Unbounce is among the top landing page builders and wooes the customers with the more than 100 AI-powered templates, including industry-specific ones. It allows users to create multiple pages at one go with the help of duplication feature. Moreover, all of the landing pages that you create are automatically secured with the SSL certificate, so that the visitors don't find a reason to bounce back. It comes with a very easy formation approach with the drag and drop feature and high accuracy. The A/B testing helps in trying out new ideas in order to offer better results. All the templates and page style that you choose are optimized for the mobile layouts, so that no visitor group is left unattended. And with such a lot on offer, this landing page is good enough to churn out more leads and better sales, but without compromising on the budget. It's made for all types of companies, small, medium, also large enterprises and freelancers as well. They are providing very nice 24/7 live support during business hours and for premium subscribers all 24/7 and also the online one. They are located in British Columbia and Canada. So we are going to check at right now what is it worth. They are quite sneaky, hiding the price tag right on top where you just can check on pricing and get straight to the point. They are quite smartly hiding it all the way down, so you have to really go through all the information. They may catch an eye. And here you can switch from monthly to yearly subscription. And as I get it, you get 10% off if you decide to go yearly. That is not a big bump. So if you even want to try it for 1 month, you won't lose that much money. With launch option, you're ready to start promoting your brand online using landing pages, which is $90 a month. It's up to 500 conversations, 20,000 visitors, and 1 domain. With Optimize, which they recommend, you want to get more of your time back with effortless marketing optimization, which is $135 US, 1,000 conversations, 30,000 visitors, 5 domains, 30% more conversions with smart traffic. And also Accelerate is $225 US, big time bandwidth to keep with your growing business. And basically everything's unlocked, bumped up numbers, everything is top. And if you're a big enterprise, they can take care of you as well. All you have to do is I need higher limits, and they will tailor you the option just for you. But right now we want to go and start the free trial in what they are offering. Let's see if it's really free. We hit that start building for free. Here we can just we can sign up with Google. Let's pick the account. Why I'm using Gmail all the time is because you don't need to wait for confirmation email, but this won't be a case because they are asking for credit card to actually start at Unbounce. If you're in charge of trying a new projects and new software for your company, I don't really like this option since it's making, since it's really not the greatest, because you have to go through a lot of people, like the boss, for example, or someone in charge of fundings, and then they have to really like get you an option to book it, and you don't really want to do it for yourself. So you can check out for demo, which should be easiest option. And right here also they are strongly recommend you to give them the credit card information, which I don't really like. They may be great as they want to be, but they are unnecessarily providing a lot of hassle for people around them. With the product, they got the smart builder, which is in beta, smart copy, smart traffic, conversion intelligent features, and Unbounce apps. That's what we are going to find out. What they can put into builder. They have Stripe, Shopify, Typeform, PayPal, and Calendly. There is way more as they proclaim. Let's see if we can put it into integration through third-party software. For that reason, I would really love to use Zapier, but I think that Unbounce should be there. Yeah, exactly. Let's go like this. If you want to create integrations, for example, what event? New form submission. So there's the only option on third-party integrations that they are providing at the moment. Yet again, you can also use automate.io for integrations and see if there's Unbounce. It is, but only for premium users. Let's go with the Slack. And they have a new form entry, and new form entry. Yes, it's the same thing that we have on Zapier. So we basically have to rely on integrations, and I believe you have to pay more or a little bit extra if you want to enjoy integrations inside of Unbounce. It's a really great software. So really, it's worth it. I don't really feel like entering, especially on my recording page, or since I'm recording this video, I'm not really feeling quite okay with addressing all my bank informations on the website. So I'm gonna do it in different video. But when I already like have my premium, my free trial done, and with this option, free is giving you like a smart copy. It's $0 a month. It's up to 5 generations per day, one profile. On their website, they are proclaiming that there's no credit card required, but as you found out, a credit card is required. There is 13 more content templates, 6 languages, expander and remix, and also you get a Chrome extension, which you can use during your day and in your Chrome. So you'll get an easy access to Unbounce, which is really nice. Well, guys, if you have any types of questions about Unbounce so far, how to log in, how to find out if it's the really one for you, please let me know underneath this video in the comment section. And also, I'm really looking forward to create more and more videos about Unbounce, so you see how it looks from inside, and we'll create very nice features. We'll create very nice options for you to take advantage of the unbounce. So right now, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.